back to the channel, welcome back to yet another video. As you can tell, I've got my Brabus shirt on, so we're heading over to Germany.
5 minutes later.
As you guys know, I bought an E63s and I have been a Brabus fan for, well, mostly all of my life when I got into cars. So yeah, this is kinda like a dream coming true. So heading over with my buddy in the Audi S4. Tell me you're driving in the Netherlands without telling me you are driving in the Netherlands. And yeah, so dreaming's coming true. E63s is gonna become a Brabus 700 this week. Brabus 700, so can't wait for that. It's gotta go in for a couple of days, about 2-3 days. So I'm gonna get the Brabus wheels, the Model Y, the Model A, Model Y, in 21-inch, gonna look ridiculous. Also all the Brabus badges, and it's gonna get 700 horsepower and like 950 or 1000 Newton meters of torque. So yeah, actually the horsepower this car already has, like 612. It's way too much already, but yeah, you can drive a Brabus 700 that looks like a Brabus 700 and do not have the 700 horsepower package. So yeah. Anyway, back over to Germany. Can't wait to get on the Autobahn and floor this thing, because we're now in the Netherlands, and for some reason in Belgium it's 120 kilometers an hour. And for some shitty reason in the Netherlands, it's now 100 kilometers an hour on the highway. Yeah, 100 kilometers an hour. That's like 60 miles an hour on the highway, even when there's no other cars near me. And out of nowhere, sun starts to shine. Yeah, that's European weathers. Yeah, I really want to move. Want to come to like America or something, where it's like warm all the time, something like that. And yeah, we are really close to the German border, and you know what happens in Germany? Autobahn. Still very dangerous, really gotta be careful here. Woo, so much fun. So Autobahn, a lot of fun, just did like 250, 260 or something. It's really crowded. It's really busy on the Autobahn today, so yeah, I'm probably not gonna attempt top speed today, but most of these cars do like 300 kilometers an hour, something like that. I don't really care, it's a fun car, it looks good, drives great, pretty fast. Don't care how fast it goes, it's only dangerous, you know? Gotta keep it safe. I'm a dad, you know. I sound like I'm getting old. I am, we're all getting old. Let's carry on. Yeah, this guy can be serious, like, this is not how the Autobahn works. If you're gonna be slow, get your ass to the right lane so the fast guys can move. God damn it. Idiot. Uh-oh.
Na 300 meter bij het verkeerslicht links afslaan in de straat Werkstraße richting Bahnhof Noord. Nu links afslaan. Nu links afslaan en dan heeft u uw bestemming bereikt. U heeft uw bestemming bereikt.
And we made it. So yeah. We're at the beautiful home of Brabus. By the look. And we got like 200-300 G-classes here and things like that. All cool, colorful G-classes. And we got a nice 6x6 over here. By the loop. Hello. Look at that. That's gnarly. So gonna put my mouth mask on, and head inside and drop off the keys. Yeah, little weird ending right here. So I was vlogging, making this video, and for some reason I was in the showroom drinking some Coca-Cola and filming some Maybachs, and the boss gave the person downstairs a ring and was like, hey, I want to talk to Smokey. And yeah, so I got up, made some videos together with the big boss of Brabus. Dang, it was a lot of fun. Great guy, awesome company, really love it. So yeah, I totally forgot to finish vlogging and things like that, so I got a little bit bamboozled about what happened. Got another tour through the factory of Brabus, through the facility with the big boss, things like that. Just had like awesome time, pretty good. Cameraman, making some videos with him. Again, no idea what happened, but I'm back home and this vlog is ending like very weird. But anyway, next video, probably some of the next videos might be the Super Duke GT again, or I'm picking up my Brabus 700. Not sure. Stay tuned, subscribe, like this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace!